In today's video, I'm going to guide you through integrating Mailchimp with Monday.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect these two powerful platforms, allowing for streamlined workflow and enhanced productivity. Let's get started by heading over to your Monday.com account. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account where you plan to set up the integration. Once logged in, navigate to the board where you want to establish this connection. This could be your project management board, campaign board, or any other area where you manage tasks and need to integrate email marketing capabilities. Within your board, you'll find an option that says Integrate towards the upper side of the screen. Clicking on this will lead you into the Integration Center, where Monday.com offers a wide range of integrations to enhance your workflow. As we're focusing on Mailchimp today, watch out for the Mailchimp icon among the various available integrations. Access it by selecting Mailchimp from the list. This step allows you to harness the email marketing power of Mailchimp directly from your Monday.com board. Once you've clicked on Mailchimp, you'll see a list of templates available that suit different needs and workflow scenarios. These templates are pre-configured guidelines that'll help to simplify the integration process. Go ahead and click on Use Template. This step will provide you predefined tools and settings, effectively easing the connection process between Monday.com and Mailchimp. Next, it's time to select your Mailchimp account. Here, you'll be prompted to link your existing Mailchimp account with Monday.com. If you haven't logged into Mailchimp in your current browser, you might need to do so. This step ensures that Monday.com can accurately pull information and share data with your specific Mailchimp account. This page is essential as it acts as the gateway, allowing both platforms to communicate effortlessly. Also, ensuring you're confirming the right Mailchimp account is selected here prevents future confusion. It's vital to recognize and address any permissions or access prompts that appear during this step. This ensures that this integration operates smoothly, handling automations such as subscriber updates and email campaigns as planned. Once your account is selected and linked, congratulations! You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with Monday.com. You've now unlocked the ability to streamline workflows, track email campaign data, and elevate project management tasks by tapping into the comprehensive audience engagement features offered by Mailchimp. That concludes our setup guide for today. Integrating Mailchimp with Monday.com heralds a new age of productivity, helping you manage your marketing projects more effectively and stay on top of your email campaigns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials and guides.